Amid the vast, endless blue sea, the boats of fearless fishermen glide steadily into the open waters. As usual, they are prepared to face the challenge of hunting down the giants lurking beneath the waves. And this time is no exception. A tense, breathless atmosphere surrounds the crew as they realize they are about to confront one of the fiercest predators of the ocean, the giant Trevally. Join these brave fishermen as we follow their incredible journey to capture this powerful sea warrior in today's video.
Yes! That's fish!
The giant Trevally, scientifically known as Caranx ignobilis, has earned the nickname the Boxer of the Sea. They are widely distributed throughout the Indian and Pacific Oceans, especially around coral reefs, shallow bays, and river mouths. An adult Trevally usually measures between 80–120 centimeters in length and weighs around 20–40 kilograms. This species is infamous for its pack hunting behavior, even preying on seabirds when they swoop close to the water's surface. That's why it's known as the boxer or gladiator of the ocean. With a muscular oval body and shimmering silver scales, the giant Trevally instantly becomes the center of attention every time fishermen set out to conquer the open sea, and the challenge of catching one is anything but easy. A carbon fiber fishing rod or heavy-duty fishing line is essential for today's expedition. The fishing line can stretch hundreds of meters and endure tens of kilograms of pressure, while the hook must be forged from reinforced steel to withstand the fish's incredible strength. The bait, often small fish, is carefully chosen, as these are the giant Trevally's favorite prey. Fishermen can hunt Trevally near rocky shores, where waves crash and predators gather, or venture into deep-sea waters aboard large fishing vessels. Catching a giant Trevally is an art form in itself. Before casting their lines, the fishermen observe the movement of waves and surface disturbances to determine the fish's direction. Then they skillfully cast the baited line dozens of meters away, and the entire crew holds their breath, waiting for the rod to twitch. The battle begins. The rod bends violently, water splashes, and the sound of tensioned line slicing through the sea echoes across the deck. Calmness, quick reflexes, and steady control are the keys to success. One wrong move, and the rod could snap or be yanked clean out of the fisherman's hands.
Yes!
Realizing it's trapped, the giant Trevally dives deep, pulling the line taut with explosive power. Foam sprays white across the water. The boat rocks violently. The fishermen must alternate between tightening and loosening the line to prevent it from breaking. There have even been cases where the fishing line whipped back like a lash, injuring the angler. As the fish nears the boat, the fishermen act fast, hooking it with a metal gaff through the gills or scooping it up with a massive net. Those fishing from shore might even grab the fish by hand and drag it onto land. Once the boxer of the ocean is secured, immediate preservation begins. The fish is stored on ice and brought back to shore for processing. Its meat is firm and sweet, often prepared as grilled, steamed, or fresh sashimi. In some regions, charcoal-grilled Trevally is considered a local delicacy. Interestingly, in Hawaii, the giant Trevally is even regarded as a sacred fish in traditional beliefs.
Every moment, from the Tanstegofoir to the rocking of Bene at the boat, lead to the ultimate reward, the triumphant catch.
It's a testament to the fisherman's patience, skill, and courage. Would you dare to face this ocean warrior that weighs more than your own body? If you were amazed by today's thrilling journey to capture the giant Trevally, don't forget to leave a comment below. Swordfish, the so-called white gold, is not only valuable for its price but also for what people must risk to obtain it. So, what keeps fishermen returning to the open sea despite the danger? Join us on today's journey to find out. The swordfish season runs from May to September, peaking in June and July. After October, they migrate to deeper waters and become much harder to catch.
Catching a swordfish is never easy.
They live 200–800 meters deep and possess incredible strength. A single tug can rock the entire boat.
When one beats the bay, the pulling force can make the vessel tilt dangerously.
Every crew member must work in perfect sync to haul it up, no mistakes, no broken lines, and absolutely no letting it escape. When the fish strikes, fishermen face a pulling force of up to 200 kilograms that can last for hours. It's a tense, exhausting duel between man and sea monster, where skill, strength, and endurance are tested to the limit. Swordfish are powerful swimmers. Once hooked, they dart away at high speed, making it extremely difficult to reel them in. That's why once a swordfish is on the line, the angler must wind carefully, patiently, and skillfully to keep the line tight without letting the fish break free. Swordfish are prized delicacies around the world, especially in Japan. They're admired for their white, tender, protein-rich meat and unique flavor. In different regions, swordfish can be grilled, pan-seared, or served as sashimi. However, handling such a massive fish isn't easy. Its size and muscle structure require precise, confident knife work. Every cut must be exact. The most flavorful parts lie near the head and belly, known for their sweet, buttery texture. Once caught, the fish must be chilled and gutted immediately to preserve its quality. Swordfish meat oxidizes quickly and loses freshness if not handled properly. Cutting and portioning are also delicate tasks. Only skilled chefs can do it without damaging the meat. They use specialized razor-sharp knives to craft perfect cuts ready for high-end cuisine. Swordfish often appear as the centerpiece of fine dining menus or in luxurious meals. It pairs perfectly with fresh vegetables, salads, or a range of elegant sauces, turning every bite into a true oceanic experience. So why is swordfish called the white gold of the ocean? Because of its immense economic value and rarity. A single large swordfish can fetch tens of thousands of dollars. Yet, the catch rate is only 10–20% per trip. Each voyage is a gamble, not on luck, but on experience, perseverance, and courage. It's these very challenges that make every swordfish worth so much more. Not just for the money, but for the thrill of conquest. Each catch represents a triumph of human endurance over the raw power of nature. If you've ever tasted swordfish, share your thoughts on its flavor with us below. And that's the end of today's video. What did you think about these warriors of the ocean? Let us know your feelings in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and join us on more exciting adventures. Until next time, see you in the next video.